Hello, this is the weekly report for forex trading, the best tips, and we'll talk about trades for this week. Today is June 21st, and we skipped yesterday day because it was a little correction, and now we can predict the major currency pairs direction. First, we will look euro dollar. Euro dollar currently it is the price 1.433, and what we can see, we can look two things. First one is daily chart with triangle pattern, and we can see that the top price is 1.455 area, but we think that euro dollar will be kept at 1.44, because if we take Fibonacci and look, we can see this 50 area as a top. So we predict that biggest top for euro dollar in this week is about 1.44 area, 1.4350, and this area is the beginning of future bearish trend for euro dollar, because in next days, in this week and the next weeks, we will see the huge bearish trend for euro dollar. We predict the two prices, the two pivot points. The first pivot point is 1.37 area, and the next pivot point is 135 area. So in the weekly trend, as we see, this is the 1.35 area, this is the 1.39 area, and here is about 1.37 area. So this is the next pivot points. We predict the bearish trend. We already put a sell order. We will put another one, and we will wait to see what will happen. So we suggest euro dollar sell order in this week. The very similar story is about British pound, the cable. Cable has a top about 1.63 area, and in the next pivot point is about 1.64 area, the maximum top for cable. We predict the bearish trend. We predict then after this point 1.605, it will be another point, pivot point. Another pivot point is 1.57 area. If we look daily and weekly charts, we can see the next bearish trend, and we predict the huge bearish trend for cable. This is the 2 of 1. What is the next recommendation for a long chart, for weekly report? We can suggest Kiwi. Kiwi at this moment is at 1.81 area, and we predict a bearish trend with 0.79 area and more. So we predict a huge bearish trend for Kiwi 2. This is the basic things. Euro dollar will be stronger in our opinion, and we can see another big movements. The next pivot point for USD dollar Swiss, the next point will be 0.85, and we will go to more and more gains, and after that we think that we will go to 0.9 area for USD dollar Swiss currency pair, and we predict a bullish trend for this currency pair too. For USD dollar Japanese yen, we can say that we still waiting for bullish trend, huge bullish trend. We are in the 80 region, 80 area, very long time. Last 2 weeks we wait to see what will happen, but if we see moving average and if we see Bollinger Bands or any other indicator, we will see it is a strong prediction that will be some upper or bearish huge drop or huge bullish trend. We're certainly that, because very big low, it will be bullish trend, and we predict the bullish trend for this currency pair. For USD dollar Japanese yen, we predict the bullish trend. The next stop will be 85 area, and after that we wait for 90. So this is the some daily and weekly trend, weekly report. Every week we try to predict the trend for next week. This is our recommendations. If you like, you can follow that. So I will repeat again. For euro dollar, we predict bearish trend. British pound on cable, we predict the bearish trend too, and we predict the strong USD dollar bullish, and we predict that a lot of currency pairs and the dollar will go up more and more. Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot for this talk, and I wish you good day. Bye bye.